Well, this is what greets me on my watch this morning. We are motoring almost straight into the waves, 30-degree angle off from them. And mostly because they have the component that is braking. It's really hard to look through this video camera and see kind of the size of what we're dealing with here, because I guess the blues all kind of blend together. But it's bad. It was way worse yesterday. Yesterday afternoon it was just unbelievable torrent of wind and waves. We just had a 40-knot wind burst right there. This is me trying to keep the camera steady. It'd be interesting if I rode it. I'll try to. It's kind of an exercise that you have going on here in the helm chair, is to try to keep your head upright while the boat moves in about 1,000 different directions. It's like being on a bobblehead. That's it. We got another 6 to 8 hours of it.